Welcome to IP class. Today we are going to start how to read and write CSV file in Python. Now see the mode of CSV file which is used in this way. The file is created which is used by computer system, which is further can be utilized as a spreadsheet or databases. Database, as you know, your MySQL, MS Access are database software where the CSV file can be used as per the programmer's necessity, or it can be used in a spreadsheet way. Now, what is CSV file? CSV stands for comma separated value, which is used to store large amount of data in a tabular form. The commas are used to define separate files. Files of CSV will open into Excel. All databases have a tool to allow import from CSV file. So every programming language, every high-level programming language has this facility to import this CSV file. You can understand importing file is very important when the computer is connected with one computer with the another one. So when the transportation of data is required, it needs to be kept in a CSV form, which is again very conveniently used by any of the high-level programming language. Now, Python CSV module. Module is actually a library, you can say it is a function, built-in function where we are using it and working in a perfect manner. In a programming language, there are n numbers of functions, but here in Python CSV, we are having csv.reader and csv.writer. Python provides a CSV module to handle these files. To read, write data, we need to loop through rows. Now what is the meaning of loop through rows? Means there are suppose 10 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So your syntax, your Python should go and read the first row, second row, third row, fourth row. So in this way the looping starts. So we have to use our for or while syntax here, or we can use split method to get the specified column. You can say it is extraction of data. So that can be used, but today we will see how to use read and write functions. Now, important is your steps to be followed. First step which you have to do, that you have to create Excel file with extension CSV. Means you are saving the Excel and again you have to save it as CSV extension. I will show you the step. Then the CSV file you have to keep in the folder where already the Python files are existing. Number third, then you can start writing scripting for your reading and writing CSV. Now here I have shown you the example by which you can read a CSV file. See the images or the screenshots are showing you. The first one is Notepad where the name is written as test.csv. Under that I have kept 5 records. Now immediately that information is used with the help of Python. You can see the script Python importing CSV with open test.csv, and the file mode is read, means we want to read that CSV. As A1 is an object name, another object is B1 where we are calling the csv.reader file and the object is A1. Now the loop starts for line in. For line in B1, that for and in is the syntax and line is the name given by us. You can give any other name and then print line. After writing this, if your code is error free, you will get the output the way it is showing you here. Next is your writing a CSV. Writing a CSV is very easy. The CSV which you have already created with the help of Python code, you can make another CSV. You can see the source code is exactly same. Here you are seeing the read mode. Now here it is coming write mode. Under the write mode you are calling csv.writer, and then with the loop you are writing write row. Write row is a function you are calling with line. So this is all about writing and reading CSV. Now I am going with my practical and show you how can you do this. So here I have my Python folder where I wanted to use my Excel files. Now see, sometime it is giving error. So this is my Excel file. I am just double clicking it and writing. Let's see what the error is coming. Okay, then I am opening it. I can make new blank workbook. Now see, I am writing here something. You can write roll number, class, name or marks. There are 4 fields I am using: roll number 1, roll number 2, roll number 3. Class 12th commerce. No problem, I can use it in all the things. Yes. Now name, any 3 name you can write: Rahul, Geeta and Meera. The marks, it's an example I'm taking. Now see here, after this is my spreadsheet. Now you can make it a CSV by, look at here, go to file, save as, then where the folder you have to choose. We have to go to, you have to go to the folder where already the Python is existing, that is your C user HP1. C user HP1. Remember the path and look at here, C, then I have to go to user HP1, then app data. This is the path of my system. If you have your own system, you can use it. This is program, then Python 36.2. So here all my Python files are kept. So now here I am choosing CSV delimited. You can see here, click it and write any other name. I am just giving here the name of the file as new, and then you save it. Yes, it is saved there. You can check it. Yeah, this is showing me. Now I am double clicking it. You can see the 3 records which I have completed there. It is showing me here. Okay, now fine. You just close this. Now go to Python script. Yeah, here in your Python you can just open any file. I am selecting and replacing it. Now I wanted to use another script. I am writing here import CSV, import CSV WITH with open bracket open. Now write down the name of the CSV file which we have mentioned there. It is new.csv and the mode of the file is read. File is read, bracket close, as A1. Now after writing A1, you can see here A1, we will use now another object as B1 is equal to calling the function CSV dot reader, reader, and the object name is A1. Now after this, again we are using loop for line in calling the function B1 object, because A1 is kept here under this variable B1. Now after for we have to write colon, so automatically the scope is coming under this. Now I am writing print, the variable is line. Now see, you just save it and run the program. If it is error free, yeah, it is showing me. You can see again I am running this, executing the source code. After writing this, you can see, yeah, the three things records which I have entered there in new CSV, it is showing me here. So got it? So this is all about reading, because the mode of the file is R, it is reading. Now we can show you how to use another CSV with the same code. Now the changes we have to use here. The changes for this, again you have to write with, and the object is open, with open, correct. Now write another name for the CSV. In upper you can see I made new. Now I will make new one. I am writing the new file name as new one CSV. Now the mode of the file will be write. Bracket close. Give another object name as A2. As A2. Now colon, this is the syntax. After this I am writing here C1, another variable name C1, then calling the function CSV dot writer, and the object name is C1. Object name is, where the object is residing here, you can see in the C1 I have to use the parameter A2. Now after this the loop is starting for line in B, upper one is B1, and then okay, no need to use print because we are going to create a new CSV only. So here we are writing CSV underscore writer, CSV underscore writer. So where it is there, we will be using what? CSV underscore writer dot writer row. Okay, CSV underscore WRITER writer dot WRITE write ROW row, bracket open, and this is going to be line. Now save it. Let's see. Yeah, CSV dot writer, we are getting here error. This is CSV dot writer. No, it is not CSV dot writer. Let's see in the last function what we wrote. It is C1 dot, that means the third one. The third one, it means here we have to write variable name as C1. C1. Now you save it and see. Again, what is wrong here? Let me check the syntax again. Right row line. So right row, why it is not coming? Right row line. Here we are writing C1 is there, followed in B1. Okay. Let me check what is going wrong here. Okay. CSV dot write A1 E1 CSV. Okay, no problem. You can debug this kind of error, children. So here the syntax, it is very case sensitive. Maybe I am doing something wrong. So no problem. It will give you the command which I have shown you. So very carefully you have tried, because debugging the error is again the concept of programmers. You have to check the source code and get the exact outputs. So that's all for today's IP class. I hope you understood everything, and please write down the notes and give me the queries if you are getting anywhere. Thank you and have a nice day.